All right, Math 1088 pace. This is page 23, and we'll do page 24 as well. So on page 23, we're going to look at number 4. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to subtract 3 from both sides. Okay, that's a positive sign, so we want to perform the opposite action. I realize that this is a greater than or equal to sign, but just look at it as if it was an equal sign, because you're performing the same action that you were in every other problem like this. So positive 3 and negative 3 cancel, leaving me with 3x is greater than or equal to 15 minus 3 is 12. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 3. And x is going to be greater than or equal to 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay, so that is your final answer. So don't let the greater than or equal to sign confuse you, because at this point there's nothing happening with it. Just treat it like an equal sign, and when you get down to the bottom, make sure it's facing the right way.
So I'm supposed to do minus 6? Is it always minus?
All right, so moving on to page 24. This is going to be number 1 on page 24. All right, so number 1, I have 2x plus 5 is greater than or equal to 15. So the first thing that I do is move the 5 over. Oh, I'm on the highlighter again. I do that by performing the opposite action.
Oh.
All right, 15 minus 5 is 10. I bring my 2x down, and then I bring my greater than or equal to. So 2x is greater than or equal to 10. Divide both sides by 2. And x is greater than or equal to 10 divided by 2 is 5. All right, so as you're watching the videos, you should be writing down the step-by-step process along with me, because I am doing the odd problems. But if you do not write down the step-by-step process of how to solve these, you're not going to know how to do the even ones on your own. All right, so number 3 is 8x plus 6 is less than or equal to 86. So my first step is to move the 6, and I do that by subtraction. 8x is less than or equal to 86 minus 6 is 80. And then what do we do next? All right, so x is less than or equal to 10. Why is that? And it is because I divided both sides by 8. On the left side, it cancels, leaving me with 1. And on the right side, it... All right, so moving down to number 5, this one is a little bit different. So the first thing to do is to move that 2 over to the other side. So negative 2 plus 2 is 0.
Wait. You're gonna...
All right, so negative 2 and positive 2 cancel. 11 plus 2 is 13. And that is less than the x divided by 3. So this is x divided by, the line means divide. It's not x over 3. It is a division sign. So the opposite of division is multiplication. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 3 over 1. You can do the little dot for multiplication, or you can do the parentheses. Both are the same. Neither are wrong. So the 3's on the left side are going to cancel, leaving you with 1. So all I have left is x is greater than 13 times 3 is 39. All right. Moving on to 7 and 9, and then we will be done with this video. So I'm going to do these a little bit slower without talking. so that you can work them out. Make sure that you understand them so that you can finish the page on your own. All right, so 7x plus 9 is greater than or equal to 30. The first thing you do is subtract 9 from both sides. That's what we did here. This was the first step. All right, so when we did that, we got 7x is greater than or equal to 21. We divided both sides by 21, or I meant by 7. So on the left side, the 7's cancel, leaving you with 1. So x is on the left side is greater than or equal to 21 divided by 7 is 3.
I need help.
Didn't record. All right, so the last one is number 9. Here's another one that we're doing a fraction with. And the first step is, oh, I got the highlighter again. All right, so when I minus 6, I have positive 6 minus 6 is 0, leaving me with x divided by 7 on the left side. Bring down my greater than sign. And it's going to be greater than 8 minus 6 is 2. All right, so what's the next step here? Since that is x divided by 7, and I perform the opposite, I'm going to invert. Again, you can use the dot for your multiplication, or you can use parentheses. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 7 over 1. On the left side, the 7's cancel, leaving me with 1. And x is less than or equal to 2 times 7 is 14. All right, so you should be able to do 2, 4, 6, and 8 on your own. I did the majority of this page. So 2, 4, 6 on this page, and 5 and 6 on page 23.